Hello, I'm Chen. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce the learning system and platform I designed for China's developing cities. Urban area is the land which mostly cultivates culture, community, economic development, and people's ideologies. More importantly, by the end of 2050, urban areas are expected to contain 2/3 of the world population. China develops its economics, education, and culture in a rapid speed. On the other hand, China's urban areas also demand more innovative systems or technologies to maintain people's needs and requirements on education, health care, and entertainment. This current project aims to design a sharing space for reading in urban areas for Chinese developing urban regions. The fundamental objectives are promoting people and learners with lower socioeconomic status to utilize resources efficiently to enhance their learning and development. This project also employs a mobile sharing reading space to promote urban areas' sustainable lifestyles. Building up positive social communities and group strategies on reusing resources are also expected results of this project. This project is about building a mobile, flexible, inclusive library with a large number of books, providing free book resources to every roadside person in urban areas. This concept also aims to reduce waste of resources so that encouraging people to share and reuse books. Stakeholders refers to population with lower socioeconomic status, meaning children and students. There are three main purposes for this project. Firstly, it improves urban facilities and environment for people's learning and communication. Secondly, it enhances the sustainable lifestyle because this project promotes concepts of saving, reusing, and recycling resources. Previous example analysis contains roadside library, container library, community learning center, library mobile app, and online library management system. From analyzing these examples, I decided to design a shared reading area to be inclusive for people with special needs. Technology-based platform can also be a key to promote an efficient and convenient platform for readers. Also, I need to consider about employ an efficient management system to reduce possibility of book damage and loss. There are concepts which are aligned with environmental, economic, social, and cultural sustainability. In one word, in addition to creating shared space for reading, this project also aims to cultivate people's ideologies on sustainable lifestyle and city culture of reading. In economic dimension, this project also aims to against waste resources. For social aspect, this project purpose to promote reading communities and groups and subsequently cultivate positive social relationships in city culture. This is the prototype 1, which employs solar energy to support light system in the night and efficient space arrangement in urban area. The technology support for this project refers to apps which enable users to research books' availability and recommendations based on users' reading preferences. In order to better protect the borrowed books and extend their service life, when borrowing books, you can choose recycled covers in different styles. The book app also enables users to check the location where they can find the book and overview about the book. The project will be located in a roadside area and occupies an open area for embracing more users together in one shared space. The chairs are for people to arrange discussions or communications in this shared space. There are two machines for lending and borrowing books. The smaller one is for donating books. It has security system to against stealing books. The loyalty and credit system also will be applied for this library. For example, if one user lends or donates books to this library, the user's credit will grow. However, if a user borrows a book but not return the book before due date, the user's credit will decrease. When a user's credit is not well, he or her will not be allowed to use this device anymore. The slogan displayed on the screen will be sharing books, civilized readings. The device employs a touch screen to enhance users' using experience. There are also offline activities and meetings for readers to exchange ideas and build up reading communities in order to promote positive social relationships and reading culture in the city. This is a prototype for showing the place where people can exchange their reading ideas. This place can also be the location for organizing cultural activities, for example, holding exhibitions, sharing educational film, and celebrating culture or art festival. It is equivalent to the community activity place. The main function is to enrich the community residents' amateur culture life, regularly broadcast culture films, and carry out reading and sharing meetings to provide convenience for the cultural and spiritual needs of residents, create a harmonious and comfortable low-consumption community communication platform, and carry out the task of cultural construction. For this design reflection and more detailed ideas, I will make corrections and in-depth design in the Studio B stage. It includes the selection of materials, the fine-tuning of the aesthetics of the shape, the use of sustainable energy, and the customer experience. These are references. That's all. Thank you for your listening.